Ashutosh really is bringing us all the live updates from ground where the Uttarkashi tunnel rescue operation is underway. Ashutosh, you've spoken to Professor Arnold Dix. He's told you about the tough terrain, the biggest challenge that they're facing. Is there a remote possibility of expecting a breakthrough anytime soon? How long has he signaled at this rescue operation to complete?
Well, unfortunately, none of these agencies are able to tell us that what will be the time frame by when the rescue operation could be completed. Because as we speak, at this moment, the process to start the rescue operation is underway. We cannot say it's actually the rescue operation because the American machine hasn't started working yet in the last 24 hours because now there is a safety concern for those workers already working inside for the horizontal drilling process. We're using the American auger machine. Subsequently, Professor Dix is here. I spoke to him and he said because of the difficulties in the terrain and which is the very fragile nature of the Himalayan mountain in this part of country, in Uttarakhand, so that makes really challenging. Every moment there's a vibration of the machines were rolling out inside that creates more and more debris falling inside. So that makes really very crucial. The robotics are being used to sense the data. The geological teams are assessing the depth, debris, and also the structure, the exactly vertically measuring the tunnel, what could be possibly inside. Subsequently, as far as vertical drill is concerned, this cannot be started in next 24 hours as matter of challenge is to reaching the terrain. The BRO is really putting all its best work and very with all its effort. They are widening the road, reaching out to exactly the point where the flag has been made, where exactly the drilling will start. So unless this process of starting the rescue operations completed, it will take quite time. So it may take another 24 to 48 hours to restart the operations once the safety process, and let me tell you the fastest way, even the professor says, could be the horizontal drilling. But for now, you have to ensure the safety of the current workers and the ongoing operations, and then only the process could start. So another challenge was to ensure food and logistics. For that, another 6 inches diameter of pipe is being inserted. So this makes really a difficult operation in the mountains in Himalaya in Uttarakhand.
All right, Ashutosh, of course, what we want to know here primarily is how are those 41 trapped laborers really doing now? Do we know of their health condition? Has anyone panicked so far? Are they doing all right?
One can really imagine the physical condition and the mental, the psychological condition of 41 workers who are literally travel 41 days in a dark tunnel where you barely have a mechanical supply of the oxygen. Food is not adequate, is not enough because it's only the dry fruit and some dry material which is being supplied through the compressed air with a very narrow pipe. And because that's not enough, it will trigger certain issues, including the biological issues, including the headache, including stomachache. So depend on the criteria, depend on the situation, the medical expert, team of medical experts twice a day having interactions with them. And again, through the long pipe interaction is quite difficult. In one go, you can barely speak 3 to 4 words to make yourself audible and clear about the situation. So the medicines have also been provided. Of course, they are not physically very healthy, but it is the courage you have to give it to these workers. It is their courage that they are standing against all odds, right trapped other side, and they are helping each other. Of course, they have been physically unwell. That's exactly why the medicines are being given, and psychological support is required. So the team, every on and off, interacting with them. But those people are continuously asking, please rescue us, please expedite your operation, because of course it's being really long when the operation entering 9 days and there is no clarity that is it going to be 24 hours, 48 hours or 72 hours. There is no time frame yet being given by the agencies.
Ashutosh, thanks very much for joining us on that.